Hi there, join me in this video as I unbox the Mechanic brand 9-piece dismantling blade and show you what it looks like. This is the Mechanic brand 9-piece dismantling blade. Shows the different 9 shapes to meet a variety of needs. The features are strong toughness, high resilience. The thickness of each blade is 0.1 millimeter. There is a silicone protective case or handle on each blade. For its use, it is suitable for all kinds of models on the market. Can disassemble the mobile phone screen, curved screen edge, middle frame, back cover, etc. The 9 blades sit in slots. These are the 9 shapes that the blades come in. Each blade is very thin. It is 0.1 millimeters thick. This is my RELIFE RL-001G multifunction maintenance storage container. I have here at the top the Mechanic brand Multa SE 6-piece high precision screwdriver. In the left tray I have several Mechanic brand high precision tweezers. I have the Mechanic brand G11, G15 and G17 high precision tweezers. I have the Mechanic brand SM11 and SM17 ceramic tweezers. I have the Mechanic brand KA14 micrometer tip high precision tweezer. I have the RELIFE brand T2 and ST20 high precision tweezers. In the right hand side tray, I have the Mechanic brand glue removal brushes. This is a brush with the main bristles. This is a brush with steel bristles. I also have the Mechanic brand GDR2 electric polishing tool. And that tool comes with 9 emery grinding tips. I have the RELIFE RL-089 2-piece A and B non-magnetic tin scraper. I can now add my Mechanic 9-piece dismantling blades to my container in the tray. I hope you found this video interesting. Do hit the like button and subscribe to my channel for more and help the channel grow. Thank you so much.